morning. Welcome back after a short break. Okay, are you fine? Yes, very good. Okay, in the previous class we had learned about the kinds of sentences. Now, kinds of sentences. So today let's continue that chapter. Okay, today we are going to learn about that means to make sentences using these words like house. See, so before that let's revise it. Three types of sentences. No, three types of sentences we had learned in the previous class. No, which are they? Yes, assertive or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence, and we had learned the exclamatory sentence also. But in our chapter, we learn only three kinds of sentences. That means assertive or declarative, next interrogative sentence, and third one is imperative sentence. ഈ മൂന്ന് ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് സെന്റൻസിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് നമ്മുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. Okay, so let's revise it. What is assertive? Assertive or declarative sentence? Yes, it says or states something. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രസ്താവനയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയാം? നമുക്ക് assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Am I right? Yes. And next is interrogative sentence. What is meant by interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence means ask question. That means question ആണെങ്കിൽ അത് ഏത് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് സെന്റൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും? ഇന്ററോഗേറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ? ആൻഡ് തേർഡ് വൺ ഈസ് ഇമ്പരേറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസ്. ഇമ്പരേറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസ് ഇത് അതിലെന്താണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുന്നത്? കമാൻഡ്സ്, റിക്വസ്റ്റ്, സജഷൻ എക്സെട്ര. ഓക്കെ, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സെന്റൻസിനെയാണ് ഇമ്പരേറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസ് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചത്. ഓക്കെ, so today we are going to learn about to make three types of sentences. That means three kinds of sentences with using these words. For example, here is the word is given house. Okay, house. We have to make a statement from this word. We have to make a statement. How? See, look at the board, all of you. My house is big. It's a statement. My house is big. എൻ്റെ വീട് വലുതാണ് അല്ലേ? My house is big. It's a statement. That means statement or it is also called declarative sentence. That means assertive or declarative. Statement ആണെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള types of sentenceനെ പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് assertive or declarative. Are you clear? Yes. So അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൽ ഇട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് S. S means statement because it is a statement. And remember that after the in assertive sentence, at the end of it we have to put full stop. At the end of assertive or declarative sentence we have to put full stop. Okay? Did you get? Yes. And come to the next type of sentence. Second one is, here is in bracket Q. That means question. Q here, that means question. Where is your house? Where is your house? That's the question. No, that's the question. ഇത് വെച്ച് ഈ house എന്നുള്ള വാക്ക് വെച്ച് നമുക്കൊരു question ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. Where is your house? Where is your house? That is a question. And the third one is keep your house clean. Keep your house clean. It's a command. So in bracket here C. C means command. It includes imperative sentence. Imperative sentence il varunnaanu. Command, request, suggestion, all these includes imperative sentence. ഇതെല്ലാം ചേർന്ന് വരുന്നതാണ് ഇതിൽ imperative sentence ലാണ് ഇതൊക്കെ വരുന്നത്. Okay, but command C means command. So see, look here. ഈ വേർഡ് വെച്ച് ഹൗസ് എന്നുള്ള വാക്ക് വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ ത്രീ ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് സെന്റൻസ് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാക്കി. എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, മൈ ഹൗസ് ഈസ് ബിഗ്. It's a statement. Okay, and the second one is where is your house? Where is your house? That's a question. That's a question. And the third one is keep your house clean. Keep your house clean. It's a command. It's a command. Okay, do you understand? And then come to next another example. Here is the word shop. Shop. The word is shop. ഈ വാക്ക് വെച്ച് നമുക്ക് മൂന്ന് ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് സെന്റൻസ് നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, see, this is a big shop. This is a big shop. ഇത് പ്രസ്താവനയാണ് അല്ലേ? This is a ഇതൊരു വലിയൊരു ഷോപ്പ് ആകുന്നു. This is a big shop. It's a statement. So write in bracket S. അപ്പോൾ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് എഴുതാം? S. That means statement. And see the second one. Where is the shop? Where is the shop? That's a question. That's a question. And see third one. Go to the shop, please. Go to the shop, please. That's a request. That's a request. Here, keep your house clean. It's a command. A command ആണോ അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് പ്ലീസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ആണ്. Go to the shop, please. That's a request. Now, which type of sentence is that? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Okay. All of you take your textbook. In our grammar textbook, page number 7, make 3 types of sentences using the word given. We have to make 3 types of sentences. That means assertive or declarative. Second one, question. That means interrogative sentence. And the third one, imperative sentence. We have to make 3 types of, that means 3 kinds of sentences using these words. Okay. See, the first one, house. I told you about this. And here is given another one, book and water. This is homework for you. Book and water. You have to try to make 3 kinds of sentences using the word water and book. Okay, do you understand? Yes. And next page. See the next page. Put the following actions under the proper columns. Here 2 columns are given here. See, do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts. Do's means നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ. Okay, do's means ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ളവ. Don't means ചെയ്യരുതാത്തത്, ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ലാത്തത്. Okay, so see here some sentences are given here. Throw garbage in a dustbin. Throw garbage in a dustbin. Quarrel with friends. Tell lies. Help others. Run across the road. Wish teachers and elders. Play safe games and spit on the road. These are the sentences given here. ഇതിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ളത് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? Very simple sentences are all these. So you have to do, എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? അതിൽ ഡൂസിൻ്റെ കോളത്തിൽ, അതായത് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ളത് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? You have to write the first column. Okay, and don'ts, that means ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ലാത്ത കാര്യം. Okay, so those sentences you have to write in the second column. Did you get? That means first കോളത്തിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ എഴുതണം, സെക്കൻഡ് കോളത്തിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ലാത്ത കാര്യം. Okay, did you get? So what we learned today, what we learned today about make sentences using these words. That means here the word given here, house, and here is shop, and with these words we have to make three types of sentences. That means assertive or declarative sentence, that means statement, and interrogative sentence, that means question, and third one, imperative sentence. Okay, all of you try to do So these are homework for you. Page number 7 and page number 8. Try to do, all of you. So that's all. Okay, let's wind up today's class. Okay, bye bye. Take care.